Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it for 1 hour, get jet black hair naturally, turn white and gray hair to jet black with very simple ingredients at home. You can get rid of white hair and immature hair and gray hair naturally, yet it doesn't cause any side effects. It's all natural and you will get jet black hair naturally in just 1 hour permanently. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural or market aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel in a clean mixing bowl like so. Then my friends, we need 1 egg, and crack the egg like so to it. Just the egg whites. We need the egg whites to use in this remedy. Crack the egg like that and separate the white from the yolk like so, my friends. Then my friends, we need 1 lemon, and lemon is high in vitamin C and restores the melanin production in your scalp, so it will get you jet black hair naturally. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Then my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of black henna powder, and it looks greenish in this remedy, but it is black henna powder. Add 1 teaspoon of it like so, and now mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. Keep mixing like so until all the ingredients combine very well together. After we get this cream paste, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your hair and leave it for 1 hour, and then wash it with mild shampoo, and you will be amazed with the result. It darkens the hair color and will get you rid of immature hair, and you will get jet black hair naturally. I'm sure this video will help you too, my friends.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.